must get love in this thing everywhere. They're gonna love it.
Oh, yeah. Here we go. Cops and shit around here, but
Yeah. This thing feels good though. I like this a lot.
I would love to take this down like to a track.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh, it must feel great. Wow, this thing feels awesome. That thing sounds crazy.
see how it's like on rails?
Yeah. Oh, it's crazy. And now, is this rear wheel drive, all wheel drive?
Mid-engine, rear-wheel drive.
Okay.
So the engine's right on the right under your ass right there.
No
and,
shit.
And it's rear-wheel drive.
Wow. So it's got great like weight distribution.
It's unbelievable. It's one of the best handling Porsches that you can get. This unlike that shit, the autocross, it's a lot of fun.
Yeah.